The Elbesee Universal Frame comes in a wide range of sizes, over 200 combinations in total. It's perfect for keeping fabric tensioned, such as silk paintings, cross-stitch and embroidery. To find the right size, first measure your fabric's width and length. Then choose the next smallest size available. You will need 2 packs, one for the width, one for the length. In each pack, there's 2 arms and 2 elbows. The elbows are located on the back. Fit the arms together by slotting them into the elbows. When attaching your fabric, ensure that it's square and also that the pattern side is facing up. You can fix it in place with either silk pins, drawing pins, or staples. In this video I'm using a combination of silk pins and staples.